Okay, hello and good day everyone. No, so today we will discuss about ratio and proportion. No, so ratio and proportion are very familiar to you kasi nga na-discuss to since your elementary. Okay, so what is ratio? Ratio is the comparison between two quantities. No, so here kino-compare natin no yung two quantities here. No, if A and B are two quantities of the same kind and in the same units, the ratio of A to B written as A over by B or A is to B is the result of comparing them by division. Example here, find the ratio of S to T if S is equal to 10 centimeter and T is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, so paano natin i-rewrite siya into ratio? Okay, since here no, S to T na magiging S is to T, substitute natin yung S to 10, then yung T natin to 5, and then get the lowest term, no? Okay, we have 10 is to 5, no? Lowest term of 10 is to 5 is equal to 2 is to 1. Okay? Next. Ako, ayaw. Okay. Another example, no? Find the ratio of xy to uz if xy is equal to 8 centimeter and uz is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay? So xy is to uz, substitute your xy to 8. Then we have yung uz natin no, to 6. So we have 8 is to 6 or in lowest term, we have 4 is to 3. So lagi natin kukunin yung lowest term no, for the ratio. Okay? How about number 3? AB to CD. If AB naman natin is 2 decimeter and CD is 10 decimeter. Again, okay, for the ratio of A to B is AB is to CD. No? And then substitute your AB to 2, your CD to 10. So 2 is to 10. And in lowest term, we have 1 is to 5. Okay? Now, exercise tayo. Express the following as ratios. Give the answers in the simplest form. Okay? 5 centimeter to 1 centimeter. What is the ratio here? 5 is to 1. 3 boys and 9 girls. No? The ratio is 1 is to 3. Why? Because 3 is to 9. No? Kung 3 is to 9, kunin natin lowest term, we have 1 is to 3. The next, 48 apples to 36 oranges. No? 48 is to 36. What is the lowest term? We have 4 is to 3. Then number 4, 5 days to 10 days. No? 5 is to 10. What is the lowest term? We have 1 is to 2. Next, number 5, no? 4 dozens to 20 pieces. Okay, so paano nangyari, anong magiging ratio nito? No? So kung meron tayong 4 dozens, ibig sabihin, no, multiply natin by 12, 4 times 12, we have 48 pieces. So ang magiging ratio natin dito is 48 is to 20, and then lowest term is 12 is to 5. Okay, that's it, no? Punta naman tayo sa proportion. What is proportion? No? Proportion is an equation that states that two ratios are equal. Okay? If A, B, C, and D are any four non-zero integers, the equation A over by B is equal to C over by D is a proportion. Okay? So example here, no? If A is equal to 6, B is equal to 7, C is equal to 12, and D is equal to 14, no? Okay, kunin natin yung proportion niya, no? We have A over by B is equal to C over by D. Substitute your A to 6, your B naman to 7, and then yung C natin to 12, your D naman to 14. Now, how can we say that this two ratio are proportion? No? Okay? By multiplying, no? Gagamit tayo ng cross multiply, no? And then kapag cross multiply na, kung equal sila, yung mga products sila, then that two ratio are proportion, no? So here we have 6 is to 7 is equal to 12 is to 14. Okay. Now, given the four integers 4, 6, 8, and 12 form two proportions using the form numbers. Okay. So gamit tong apat na numbers, gagawa tayo ng proportion. Okay? So here we have, okay, try natin 4 is to 6 and 8 is to 12, no? Or pwede rin 6 is to 4 is equal to 12 is to 8. Okay, yan ang mga magiging ratio natin. Okay, and also we have 8 is to 4 is equal to 12:6. So, pwede rin natin maging ratio yan. No? Nag-interchange lang yung 8 and 6. Proportion pa rin. Now, determine if the following ratios form a proportion. Again, so how can we say that the given ratio or proportion? First thing to do, write it in the fractional form. No? Yung 5:8, magiging 5 over by 8. Yung 10:16, magiging 10 over by 16. Then cross multiply, we have 5 times 16, 8 times 10. 5 is equal to 5 times 16 is equal to 80, and then 8 times 10 is 80. Kung equal sila, therefore, okay, these two ratios are proportion. Next, number 2. Okay, 9:24 equal to 9:16. No? Write it in the fractional form. We have 9 over by 24 equal to 6 over by 16. Then cross multiply natin. No? We have 9 times 16 is equal to 24 times 6. 9 times 16, we have 144. Then 24 times 6 is also 144. So kung equal sila, therefore, the given ratios are proportion. Okay? Number 3. 22:4 is equal to 44:6. Again, rewrite natin in the fractional form. No? 22 over by 4, 44 over by 6. Then cross multiply tayo. No? 22 times 6 is equal to 4 times 44. 22 times 6, that would be equal to 132. While 4 times 44 is equal to 176. Now, 132 is equal to 176, not. They are not equal. Therefore, not a proportion tong two ratios. Hindi sila pwede maging proportion. Okay? Number 4, we have 12:15 is equal to 4:5. Write it in a fractional form. No? Cross multiply. 12 times 5 is equal to 15 times 4. 12 times 5 is equal to 60. 15 times 4 is 60. Equal sila. Therefore, it is proportion. Okay, yan lang gagawin natin. Now, to determine if the given two ratios are proportion or not. Okay, that's it. So, thank you for listening. And again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay, so that's all. Goodbye and God bless.